Let me ask you a somewhat strange question. What are you working for that no one can actually see? We're honest people, so let's admit it. For what we do it for a paycheck, for a bonus, or maybe for a promotion. That little hit of being noticed goes a long way. And there's nothing wrong with any of that. You should be paid and you should be seen. But if that's the whole reason, it's a very thin reason. Because the day the reward stops, so does the heart. We don't actually burn out because we work too much. We burn out because the working is sometimes for the wrong wage. Listen to how Paul finishes the same sentence in the book of Colossians, chapter 3, verse 24. He says, "You will receive an inheritance from the Lord as a reward." An inheritance, not a wage you clock in for. Do you feel the difference? A wage says you're worth exactly what you produce today. An inheritance says you belong. And that was settled long before you even showed up for work. And here's why this matters so much. So much of the most important work you do is completely invisible. The parent who gets up at night again, the employee who does the right thing when no one is checking, the friend who shows up quietly with no story to post about it afterwards, the kindness no one saw, the corner you quietly refuse to cut. The world keeps no ledger for any of that, but Paul says God does. Nothing done in love for Him is ever lost, nothing. Every unseen act is gathered up and remembered and kept by the one who sees what happens in secret. I find this so freeing because it means you can stop performing for applause and start living for the well done. You can do the small, faithful, unnoticed thing and trust that it isn't disappearing into thin air. It's landing somewhere real. So sit with that for a moment. What are you doing faithfully right now that no one is applauding? And could you dare to believe that it isn't wasted, that it's seen and it's kept and that it matters? Here's your practice for the week. At the end of each day, name just one thing you did that no one noticed. Don't post it, don't tell anyone. Just say quietly to God, "You saw that one." And let that be enough. One hidden thing each day. You saw that one because He did it.